We're going to take a look at Lyft here on the weekly chart. You can see that we do have earnings coming up November 5th after market. So we're going to see what kind of run we get up into Lyft, or we get a nice little pullback. That is going to be the question. But so far, nice little pop on the day, 71 cents. We are above that $20 handle. So that is big and key for us in here. We're going to see if we can break and breach this 2082 right here. That's going to be our first place that's really giving us problems. Anything above there, then you're looking up here right around that 2319 area. That is kind of what we're forward looking into. And then obviously with earnings, anything could happen. $3 expected move in here either way. So that kind of puts 23.50 up here on the table. It also puts right around this 1773 area on the table as well, if not lower. So what do we have in here as far as if we do get above those highs that we had on the year, the 2350s up here? We're going to be looking at the 2751s. That was a previous resistance for us if we go all the way back a few years ago, as well as that 3152 in here. Those are going to be the major resistances that we're looking at if we do end up getting up that high. But 2350 is going to be the one that is kind of on the table and a main area that we are going to be forward looking to in here with a run into earnings. We also have these the 9-day EMA right here trading at that 1966, and you have this $20 or the 20-day SMA right here sitting at 1577. So those could be key levels for us as well, for a little bounce off of earnings or something of that nature. IV rank in here is sitting at 51, $3 expected move this Friday, following Friday 320, the following Friday, which is going to be your November monthly, sitting at 351. So we'll see what happens in here as we work our way into that earnings catalyst coming up November 5th after market for Lyft. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.